Hello, Yusuf, you remember me? Yes, I make a video now.
Welcome back.
Yes, thank you so much. So I have been here yesterday already to check out this room, and that's why I met the owner, Mahmoud.
Welcome.
And he even gave me a hibiscus tea yesterday. So yeah, really friendly guy. My room is ready, 505?
Yes,
yes.
ready, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yalla.
Yalla,
Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the room that I booked. There's a beautiful view over the Nile. And yeah. And Mahmoud told me yesterday the hotel 3 years, right? You opened 3 years ago.
It's a new one.
Huh? New hotel, yes. New hotel. All right. So I'm on the second floor, and there's a nice rooftop as well. I will show you guys later. We made it to my room. Okay. Yeah, can you turn the lights on, please? Let me open the curtains for you guys so there's more light. So there's a TV, a beautiful painting of the Nile with the Valley of Kings in the background. And I have a double bed with a closet, a huge fridge, and a beautiful view of the Nile. Yeah, beautiful. So I can see Luxor temple there, and you have some. You have a sitting area here. I like it. Yes.
Roof?
Roof.
Yes.
Let's go to the roof. Okay, tamam. Okay. So yeah, a kitchen. Let me show you the bathroom too. Oh, the water is running. Are you open? Okay. Yes, turn it off. We don't want to waste any water. Yeah, a good size bathroom, you know. Shower, toilet. Yeah. And yeah, it's okay, no problem. So there is a restaurant upstairs where they serve lunch and dinner.
Breakfast?
Breakfast too?
Yes.
Okay. But my booking is not included breakfast, right? Look at the view. Whoa! Beautiful view. Yeah. Hello. Girls, how are you? Oh, you have a little kitty.
Yeah.
She's sleeping with you?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm jealous. And
She's my best friend.
you found her on the streets?
I did. I found her in Cairo.
Oh my god, I thought you were joking.
No, she's my cat.
She's your cat now.
I found her when she was small back in August.
In August last year in Cairo. And you just took her with you?
Oh yeah.
Everything is okay? Everything's
She came
allowed?
up to me she was at the hotel just walking around and I took her.
Oh wow. But are you taking her back to your home country?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. I have 2 cats at home.
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
She'll go be part of their family. Yeah.
She's so adorable.
Thank
What's her name?
you. Lyra.
Kyra.
Yeah, Lyra.
Lyra.
It's
Okay.
it's the name of a star. Lyra is a constellation.
Oh, Lyra. Oh yeah, of
Lyra.
course, of course. Yeah.
Vega star.
Oh yeah, Mahmoud told me about you yesterday. You are living here
Yes.
for a long term, right?
Yes.
You're from the States.
Yeah, I've been here since July. So
Since
I'll go back
Sorry?
I'll go back during summer. It's too hot here in summer. So I have a home out
Yeah.
in California.
Ah, okay.
So I'll live between both places.
So you are escaping the winter in California, spending here,
Yes.
and then when it's too hot here, you go back
yes,
to.
exactly.
I like it, yeah.
Yeah.
And you're working remotely, or what do you do?
I do therapy, so I have clients that I talk to over the phone.
What kind of therapy?
Basically, people that need help, like getting their life together, that
Okay.
are sad, that are stressed out, helping them.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's some meaningful job you have.
Yes. I love my job. I help people learn how to be happy.
Be happy, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's
I'm getting there, being happy. Hello Libra.
good.
Hello Libra. That's so cute. What a! I thought you were joking for a second that you.
No, we sleep together every day.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to show more around of the rooftop.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Have a
How
nice
long are
day.
you here for?
Maybe we see each other later. Who
Yeah.
knows?
Do you eat fish?
I eat everything basically.
Their fried fish here is very good.
You mean at the hotel?
Yeah, you can order here at the
Okay.
restaurant.
Yeah.
The fried fish.
Okay.
Very
Thank you for the tip. So you have a pool table here. You can play pool? You can? You like playing pool? Yes.
Sometime, yeah.
Are you professional?
No.
No professional.
No professional.
Okay. Yeah, so let's go to the rooftop. There's one more floor, there's an upper floor. Yes. Today is a nice weather today, huh? Not too cold. Yeah. Oh man, guys, look at the view. Incredible. Woo. So you see the whole Luxor from here, from the south down there towards Aswan, all the way to the north where you have the famous Karnak temple. And yeah, the hotel video I made, the Sofitel Hotel, is just right there. The beige building, the yellow oranges-ish building. Yeah, so but I like this site better because it's more quiet here, less hustling, and yeah, it's just more local. I like local places, so let me show you the other view, the other side. So you see the king of the Valley of the Kings. Yeah, you see the mountain range. That's where I'm heading right now to see the tombs of old ancient Egyptian kings. That's where I'm headed right now. So yeah, they serve some food here, as you can see. Some local food, but also some Italian food. And the woman I just met, she recommended me that I would have to order the fried fish. Apparently that one is delicious. Probably this one. Okay. I'm going to. Do you want to me to film anything else, or do you want to show me anything else, or this is it?
It's okay, yes.
Okay. Yes.
Move here.
Yeah.
Name the place Spring Hotel.
Yes. The place of this
Hotel.
name is
Spring
Spring
Hotel,
Hotel.
yes.
Yeah, Luxor. Just off the public ferry down there. You walk for 5 minutes.
To 1 minute from ferry boat to the hotel.
1 minute.
Yes.
But you have to run fast. 1 minute.
1 hour, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yes. And you told me yesterday, what guests do you receive here the most? Americans or Europeans? What did you say?
Mix.
Mix. But not a lot of Chinese tourists.
Chinese from 2 years not coming.
Not coming here.
From 2 years, yeah.
2 years, yes.
Yeah.
Because of Corona.
Yes.
But before you have
Yes,
Chinese
of course,
tourists?
yes, of course. From
Everywhere.
international, yes.
International.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes. And how many people are staying right now here? 50%? 40?
Now, 40,
40.
no, 50% now.
50%.
Yes, not 50%.
You think it's okay or?
No, like food.
You want full? Yeah,
Yes,
of course. You want to make more money? Full. Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
Yes.
Yes. So this is basically a room I would normally stay in. Not too expensive, not too cheap. My own bathroom. But the most important for me is the cleanliness. So it has to be clean. And it is very clean. So I'm really happy about that. And yeah, I showed them before the Valley of Kings. I'm going now to Valley of Kings. We're going now. Yeah. What time does it close?
Close about يا أشرف أشرف تعال يا كينج فالي الساعة كام هيفصل 4 o'clock
4 o'clock. Oh, I have to go now.
good
I go to Hudson Food. Yeah, but how much? One way. Yeah, how much?
70 pounds.
No, how much?
How much you want to pay?
10 pound.
What?
10.
10.
Yeah.
8 kilometer, 16.
10 minutes, yeah.
8 kilometer from Hatshepsut for 10
8
pounds?
kilometers. Okay, I give you 20.
No, yeah.
No? Okay, thank you.
50, last price.
50, no, 20.
This is a fair price.
Fair price, what's fair price?
50 pounds.
Like 50 pound, no, he said 40.
You say 40, you can
Yeah.
take it for 40.
You can take it, no. I go to Hudson Food for 20.
This is my taxi.
Yes, good taxi. I go to Hudson Food.
Yes.
How much?
Normally 50, even for Egyptian people.
Yeah, but for
50.
me, special price.
Really, it's 50 Egyptian pound.
Okay, no, I give you 20, we go.
How much?
20.
20 doesn't work at all.
Does not work? Okay.
No, of course not.
I understand.
If you work, this man, he could take you.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Okay, you
Yes.
want me, because I want to start my day. You want me to take you for 45?
45? No, I said 20. 20 last price.
Last price?
Yeah, for me, 20.
No one he will accept you
No
for
one,
20.
okay.
Yes, trust
Okay.
me.
No, I trust you, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Where you from?
North Korea.
North Korea, you are welcome.
Thank
I
you so
know.
much.
So we like your country, we like people.
You really like North Korea? Oh, wow. What do you know about North
Oh, I
Korea?
know they are strong country.
Yeah.
They make blah 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 about other country.
Blah, 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 blah.
North, South Korea, they are afraid from you.
Yes, you know.
you-
You're an intelligent man.
Yes.
Smart man, you. Yes.
Your
What else do you know?
Your president, he is young man.
Yeah, you know the
don't-
name? You know his name?
Kim?
Kim
Kim.
Jong
Young.
Un.
I know him, Kim. Only.
Oh, only.
One, trust
I
me.
already talked with another taxi driver. He's waiting for me there. He said 20 pounds, no problem. I take you there.
He lie. Huh?
He lying.
Yes.
You are you serious?
I'm serious. He's liar. He will not take you for 20 because he will take you and he will come free. It's no people to bring. So I take you come free. So how come? Yeah.
So you think he's cheating me?
He's cheating you. He laugh at you. But I am serious. I'm honest with you.
Yes.
Trust me.
Okay, 25. Yes.
Because no tourist to bring from there.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we speak about.
I will.
I tell you what.
Yeah.
I tell you what.
You tell me.
Okay. I take you for 40 pound Egyptian. Really. 40. This is
I
$2.
think
$2.
$2. How much is that in Korea won? How much $2 Korean won? I don't know.
I don't know the
don't know.
Korean money how much.
Okay.
Really.
No, it's okay, sir. Thank you so much.
okay.
I walk.
How-
Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah.
Because you are a good man. How about 35? Come.
No, 25.
Come on. Don't be hard. Don't be like.
Okay, 30. Because I like you. 30. 30. Good price. Okay, 30.
Okay.
You say 30, huh?
30.
Okay, good. Not I arrived there?
No,
You
no.
want more? I
No,
don't
no.
like this. You
I'm
know.
honest. I'm
You're
honest.
honest man. I know you're honest man. Okay. Thank you. Shukran. Shukriya. Ay. So,
Can you wait me 1 second? I ask somebody something. I come to you. Just 1 minute.
Okay. No problem. So, yeah, that's how you negotiate. I think he started from 70. Now I'm really going to end this video. This will be my last day in Egypt. So, I don't know where I'm heading next. Probably South America. I wanted to go to Asia, but Asia is not open at the moment because for obvious reasons. So probably South America, maybe even more in the Middle East. We will see. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, see you. Ciao.
You speak to somebody.